Good, everybody. It's Michael Vittes with Alpha Insider, and today I bring you back our expert on car leasing, Lenny Komsky. Lenny from Grand Prix Motors. Welcome back.
Thank you, Michael. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to everybody.
Appreciate it.
All the best in the next year, this year.
Exactly. Not everybody knows it, but Grand Prix is not just a leasing company. Grand Prix also has a body shop. So today I want to talk a little bit about that and give some tips in our next sessions to people who were involved in collision, how to fix their cars best and most effectively and in the most affordable manner. So let's talk about first your body shop. Let's introduce it. Where is it and what does it do?
Sure. Well, this is our 8th year in this venture. We started it out as helping people returning their cars and their little things and niches and scratches, and then we learned the whole business basically from scratch, like we did with the leasing business. It was from zero. We had no experience, we had nothing, just starting, scratching, seeing, feeling how it works, and 7 years, almost eighth year in, we're doing pretty well. We learned all our tricks. We know how to do everything. We have great specialists who do the paint job, the body job. We have a good team, solid team that's been with us already for a good 5 years, same team. So we're on the right track.
Okay, excellent. And we're going to talk about our next sessions about what happens when you get into a car accident. What are the first steps to do to make sure you're covered by insurance and covered at least for most of the damages, if not for all the damage, because you guys work with adjusters as well, correct? So
yeah, of course.
Car, so insurance companies and so on.
Yeah, there's a lot of tricks. We are independent, so I could tell you this. It's just something to have in the beginning. We're in an independent shop. What that means is we're not signed up with any insurance company, and no insurance company dictates their rules on us.
Perfect.
We do what's best for a customer. When you're signed up with an insurance company, any one of them, the big ones are Allstate, Geico, State Farm, Liberty Mutual, and so forth. They dictate what to do. They tell you what and how and where, and they look out for their own interests first, then they look out for their customer.
That's a very good point, because insurance company, they're there not to pay, so they're going to do their utmost to maybe force a body shop to do a shoddy job.
So I will explain later on what they do and how they manipulate and what they say.
Okay, very good, perfect. Okay, tell us again the address and the phone number of your body shop so people know.
So it's Grand Prix Auto Services. That's our name. You could find us at 2743 Stillwell Avenue, and that's in Brooklyn. It's off Stillwell Avenue, off Neptune Avenue.
Okay.
Our phone number is 718-975-5040. 718-975-5040, and we have Boris there. He's a manager there, and we have Eugene there as well.
Very good. Okay, excellent. We're going to post the information on our Facebook and YouTube so people know where to call and who to ask for. We're going to bring you back in our next session, and we're going to talk about what happens if you get into a car accident. What are the most important steps to take from the point of getting your car repaired? All right.
Yeah.
Please stay tuned. We'll see you very soon. Thank you.
Thank you.